Hey YouTube, it's just the American Samurai coming to you once again, almost live small tiny USA, back again with another review for you guys. This time we're taking a look at Lucky Luke Adventures number 15, The Daltons and the Blizzard. What this story's about is those no good Daltons have escaped again. And right during the warden's birthday party, too. So it's up to Lucky Luke, his horse, Jolly Jumper, and the prison's faithful dog, Rin Tin Can, to round him up and bring him up. But the Daltons have a plan this time. They're going to Canada, where they can't be arrested because they haven't committed any crimes in Canada. Though as soon as they get into Canada, they kind of nix that by doing just that. Also, Lucky Luke joined with forces with the Canadian Mounted Police. And specifically, I forget what they call him Corporal. I forget what his name is. Corporal Pendergrass, that was it. And this basically features the trials and tribulations that Lucky Luke and them all have to deal with trying to get the Daltons out of Canada and back to the United States where they can be arrested. This is the second Lucky Luke comic I've read. Or no, the third. The second that I own, but the third that I've read. I don't think if you're just getting into Lucky Luke, I'd recommend starting with something with the Daltons, considering it's Lucky Luke's most popular villain. And I think, if we look here, we can see a list of the different books here. And I think the Daltons are in a good chunk of them, so. Because I think they're literally Lucky Luke's most popular villain. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. I'd give this book probably a 5 out of 5. I think my favorite parts are the Daltons staging a boxing match. It was pretty fun. I like the part where the Daltons get a job as lumberjacks. That's pretty entertaining too, especially when they say the part about the chef's name. So yeah, this was a really good comic, and like I said, this is a 5 out of 5. I think if you're starting on Lucky Luke, I'd recommend. I usually wouldn't say this, but I've only read like the Judge, Calamity Jane, and this one. And of those three, I would recommend starting with the Daltons and the Blizzard if you're just getting into Lucky Luke. So I think it has the basic elements for a good Lucky Luke story. Well, that was my review of Lucky Luke Adventures 15, The Daltons and the Blizzard. Until then, well, I guess I'll listen to true Lucky Luke style. I'm a poor, lonesome cowboy, a long, long way from home.